Hey y'all, what's up? It's Victoria Marie, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I make my seamoss gel. So if you don't know, seamoss gel, or seamoss in general, is a major superfood that is common in the Caribbean and African countries. Basically, the people there use it to obtain a lot of their vitamins and minerals for the day in just 1 to 2 tablespoons of the gel. It has many more benefits, such as removing inflammation from the body, covering mucous membrane so that your body isn't overproducing mucus, causing other types of ailments. It helps with your libido and all types of other things that I will share in another video. I know a lot of people in mainstream media are now becoming hip to CMOS gel by hearing of Dr. Sebi, a Honduran holistic doctor that produced his findings out into the media and claimed that he could cure cancer and AIDS and all types of other ailments. And people are believe that what he's saying was the truth. And there's a whole nother conspiracy on that I'm not about to get into. But basically, seamoss is this major superfood that you should really consider incorporating into your diet. And without further ado, I'm going to show y'all my couple of easy steps on how I get seamoss gel in order to incorporate it into my everyday life. If you're interested in seeing that, just continue to watch. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay, excuse my voice because I just woke up, but we're going to start with it in this form. And basically, you just want to rinse it in a colander, and then you're going to put it in a big bowl so it can soak and expand for at least 24 hours. Okay, so now we're going to leave the sea moss to soak for about 24 hours. And I also put this lemon juice in there in order to cut that fresh sea smell that comes from the sea moss. So yeah, it's going to get really big and expand and soak up all of that water, and then I'll get back to y'all. So the sea moss gel has expanded now. Let me show y'all real quick. That is it in its expanded form. You see how it has soaked up all of the water and has swelled a lot. Okay, so now that our gel is at the right consistency, we're going to begin to blend it. So make sure that you get your mason jars out so that you have something to store it in. Make sure that the container that you're using is actually a glass jar to make sure that your sea moss remains pure. That's what I have been told, so that's what I do. And now we're just going to start blending the gel. But first, we need to drain the water that it's been soaking in. I like to save my water because it's very nutritious for your plants and that we got around here. So we just got to make sure that we drain this water so that we're not wasting any part of our superfood. Alright, so this is the consistency that our gel is at. So now we're just going to continue to blend it. And this is just a step-by-step process. You don't have to rush into anything. Just put what you think is enough. I'm going to add a little bit more. Now I'm just going to get some water. So I try to put as much water, like 1 part water, 1 part sea moss. You see what I mean? So that they're about even. And we'll just see what type of consistency this brings us. And if we don't like it, then we could just even it out a little bit. And for me, this is just way too liquidy, so I'm just going to add more sea moss. That's right. And it also gets a little bit more into that gel form when you put it in the fridge. Alright, so I got more gel that I need to blend up for myself, but just for demonstration purposes, we're just going to put that to the side. Or more sea moss, I'm sorry. And I'm going to just show y'all what it looks like in the container. Y'all see that? And it's going to get even thicker when I put it in the fridge into more of a gel-like consistency. So here's the sea moss gel. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like even after we get to this. So the sea moss gel that I just made is going to take a little bit longer to get hard and gelatinous and in that gel form that I really want to show you guys. So I'm going to show you guys the gel form that the old sea moss that I had is in. So right here is what it's going to turn out like. You see? Let me show you a little bit closer. It's like real gel-like. And it's really like tasteless or whatever. And really that's what I do too. I would probably take about this much, 2 of these, into a smoothie, and that's really all that you need in order to receive the benefits every single day of your sea moss. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!